Hello everyone, welcome back to another session with me, Pushpa. So today we will be looking at the poem that is A Nation's Strength. Okay, this is from the Unit 3, second B. Next, coming to Nation Strength. So about the author or the poet, he is Ralph Waldo Emerson. So the name of the poet is Ralph Waldo Emerson. You can look at here. So the name of the poet is Ralph Waldo Emerson, right? Next. And the poet is Ralph Waldo Emerson. And when we talk about the poet, hello everyone, welcome back to another session with me, Pushpa. So today we will be discussing about Classics, A Nation's Strength, Unit 3 poem. A Nation's Strength poem from Unit 3. So the poem is like this. A nation's strength, not gold, but only men can make. A people great and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly, they build a nation's pillar deep and lift them to the sky. So this was written by Ralph Waldo Emerson. So coming up, but let's discuss about the poet. Ralph Waldo Emerson is from America. Okay. He's mostly widely known man of letters. He's widely known as man of letters in America. He is a popular lecturer, essayist, and an advocate of social reforms. Okay. Now coming about the poem, not gold, but only men can make a nation strong. So what is the first line? Not gold, only men can make. So does here men mean only men? No, it means all the people. Okay, people can make, not gold, not materials. Material is not going to make the nation strong. Only people can make the nation strong. A people great and strong. Okay, so only men. So people can make great and strong the nation. Men who for truth and honor's sake. So men who stand for truth and honor's sake. Okay. Who stand for truth and honor's sake will make the nation strong. Stand fast and suffer long. They stand fast. What do you mean by stand fast here? You can see stand fast means refuse to give up. You can see here stand fast means refuse to give up. They do not give up. So people who stand for truth and honor. Honor means respect. Who stand for to talk truth and to work for the truth and they work for respect. They will not give up. They will never ever give up. And they suffer long. They are going to bear that pain. They are going to bear that pain for long. Brave men who work while others sleep. Brave men. So great men. Brave men means who are not afraid of anything. People who are not afraid of anything. Who work while others sleep. They work. They work while others sleep. So when other people are sleeping, brave men will be working for the sake of country. Who are those brave men? You can see many people like army, police, doctors. These people comes as the brave men who work. So these people will not have timings. They work for hours together continuously while others are sleeping. Well, how are we taking rest for nights without any tensions? We are not worried about some countries coming and attacking on us because brave men are there. And if some emergency is there, if some thieves have entered in our house, we need not worry about thieves entering into our house because we have brave men working for us, right? If there is an emergency of fever, cold, cough or something, heart attack like that, we can wait. So we need not worry because we have brave men like doctors. So people who work for others, they are called brave men here. They work for others while others sleep. While others are sleeping, brave men will work. Who dare while others fly. So who dare? They dare to, who dare? They'll face all the difficulties while others are flying away from the difficulties. So you can see here the meaning of dare. Dare is face difficulty. Face difficulty. Okay, people, brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They will face the difficulty. They'll stand there to overcome the difficulty while others will fly off. Right, while others fly, but brave men will not run away from the difficulties. They'll stand there and face the problems. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. So these people who work, who are great and strong, men who work for honor's sake and who stand fast and suffer long, brave men, okay, who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. These all type of men will stand there and build our nation's pillars strong. What do you mean by pillars? So have you ever seen a construction building going on? So in the construction they'll put the basement, foundation will be there. On the foundation they will be laying pillars. Pillars will be laid to construct a house, right? So like that, these men are going to be like pillars, and they are building the pillars deep into the earth to make our country strong and lift them to the sky. And they are raising the pillars to the sky, and they are lifting the pillars to the sky. They are raising the pillars to the sky. Right? Let's read the poem once again. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. So this is the poem. Okay, you can listen once again so that you can understand it. So why is this poem given to us in this lesson in a 6th class textbook? Why? Because you people are all going to be tomorrow's citizens. So you have to think which is important. Okay, you should not think that materials are important like gold, silver, money. No, people are important, but only men can make a people great and strong. So men can make a nation great and strong. Okay, men who for truth and honor's sake. So men should be standing. So we all, men means, is it means only men, only male gender should stand? No, it is. Here it is a general word which is used by the poet. So men here means all the people of the country should stand fast and suffer long. So we all should stand, and we should not give away our difficulties. We should not run away from our difficulties. We have to face them. Okay. So let's move on to the question and answers. What kind of people can make a nation great and strong? So the people who stand for truth and honor's sake will make and who stand fast and suffer long alone can make a nation great and strong. Also brave men who work while others sleep and who dare while others fly can make a nation great and strong. What do you think the word men refers to? So the word, I already told you, what do you think the word men refers to? The word men refers to the people of the nation. It's not generalized. It's not specific to the male gender. It is generalized term here used. What does sleep mean here? Sleep means here laziness. Okay, sleep means here laziness. What does fly mean here? Fly means escape. So escaping from difficulties. What does fly mean here? Fly means here escape. In what sense can you call, for example, Gandhiji a pillar of the nation? So in what sense can we call Gandhiji as a pillar of the nation? Because When we call Gandhiji as pillar of nation, he influenced all the people of our country. By his words, all the people of our country got influenced and they started working towards the non-violence movement and non-cooperation movement. He stood there for Satyagraha. He did Satyagraha, salt Satyagraha. He stood for nation's sake. Okay. And he used one and only one weapon, that is non-violence. Okay. So he faced the British and made them leave their country, and we got thus he achieved, and we got our independence. Okay, so Gandhiji is a pillar of a nation. Why do we call Gandhiji as pillar of nation? Because he worked towards our achievement, towards our independence. Because of his words, he used only one word, that is non-violence and non-cooperation movement, Satyagraha. These are the weapons which are used by Gandhiji. He did not use a sword, or he did not use a gun, pistol or a rifle. He used only 3 weapons, that is non-cooperation, non-violence, Satyagraha, which means we are not going to cooperate with all of the British government, he said. And he rejected all the British goods working towards India, coming towards India. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for listening. Have a good day. So if you like my video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well for more notifications. And if you like my video, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.